Do you sometimes feel that walking isn't as easy as it used to be? Maybe your knees hurt, your balance feels shaky, or every step feels heavier than the last. If this sounds familiar, you are not alone. Millions of older adults in the US face walking problems every single day. But here's the truth. Walking is not just movement. It's your independence, your freedom, your connection to the world. And losing it slowly can steal more than just your steps. Before we continue, this is Inner Spark, the channel where we help you live healthier, longer, and happier. So if you care about your health, please hit like, leave a comment, and subscribe so you never miss a life-changing tip. Now, let's talk about 3 common walking problems and how to start fixing them today. Number 1. Weak leg muscles. When your leg muscles lose strength, even short walks can feel exhausting. The fix? Start with gentle daily exercises like seated leg raises or slow step-ups. Just 5 minutes a day can rebuild strength over time. Number 2. Poor balance. Feeling unsteady can make you afraid to walk, which only makes the problem worse. Try standing near a wall and lifting one foot for a few seconds, then switching legs. This simple move trains your balance and gives you confidence with each step. Number 3. Joint pain. Knee or hip pain often makes people avoid walking. But low-impact walks on softer ground, like grass or a track, can actually help reduce stiffness. Pair it with gentle stretching after your walk to keep joints mobile. Remember, every small step you take today is an investment in your independence tomorrow. Don't give up on walking. Fight for it. If you found these tips helpful, show some love to Inner Spark by hitting like, commenting with your own walking tips, and subscribing for more ways to protect your health. Because your journey is just beginning.